In this GCSE Maths revision, we are going to learn how to solve linear equations which have brackets. And we are going to start with the simplest questions, and we move on to more complex questions. So can we start with this question 1 here, where we have 2 into x plus 1 is equals to 14. That is a simple bracket. So the first thing to do to solve this question, we need to come on this side where we have them brackets and we open them. And to open them, we need to take every value inside them brackets and we multiply with the value outside them brackets, in this case 2. So it will be 2 multiplied by x, which will be 2x, then plus 2 multiplied by this 3, which is 6, like that. Now you have opened them brackets, so it's equals to 14, this 14 here. Then from there, we group the like terms together. Like in this case, we have 2x, we have 6, and we have 14. And if you see 6 and 14, they don't have an x here. So they are similar, but this 2x will remain here because you don't have another value which is similar. So it will be 2x is equals to 14. But you see this 6 here on this left side of the cosine was positive. So when you take it on the right side, it will be negative. So it will be 14 minus 6, like that. Then from there, it will be 2x is equals to 14 minus 6, which is 8. And then from there, we divide both sides by this coefficient of x, which is 2, to remove it. So it will be 2 divided by 2 is 1, so we remain with x is equals to 8 divided by 2, which is 4. And then becomes the solution for this first question here. So, can you try to solve question 2, which is a bit complex question. In this question 2, you are told to solve 3 into x minus 2 plus 5 is equals to 17. So since we have brackets, the first thing to do is to open them. And to open them means multiplying everything inside the brackets with the value outside the brackets is in this case 3. So it will be 3 multiplied by x, which will be 3x, then minus, because here we have a negative, then 3 multiplied by 2, which is 6. We have opened the brackets, they end there, then plus this 5. The 5 was not inside the bracket, so we'll not multiply it with 3. Then is equals to 70, like that. And from there, we group the like terms together. But before we do so, you see we have negative 6 plus 5. So we can say 3x, negative 6 plus 5 is negative 1. So we can say it's minus 6 plus 5, which is negative 1. Is equals to 70, like that. Then from there, we group the like terms together. I take this one on the other side, and because here it was negative, on the other side of the cosine it will be positive. So it will be 3x is equals to 17 plus 1, like that. So it becomes 3x is equals to 17 plus 1, which is 18. But you see, we only need x, so we divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 3, at here by 3. And now the answer becomes 3 divided by 3 is 1, so we remain with x is equals to 18 divided by 3, which is 6. And then becomes the solution for the second question here. So, can I try to solve this question 3, which is even more complex, where we are told to solve 5 into x plus 1 plus 2 into x minus 3 is equals to 20. So, as usual, the first step here is to open the brackets, and to do so we need to take all the values inside the brackets, we multiply them with the value outside the brackets. So in this case we have 5 multiplied by x, which will be 5x, then plus 5 multiplied by 1, which will be 5. Then we are done with this part of the bracket, so we come here. In the second one, we have plus, so this 2 multiplied by this x, it will be 2x, then minus 2 multiplied by 3 because we had a negative there, so 2 multiplied by 3 is 6, is equals to 20, like that. So from there, I can collect the like terms together, and in this case I have 5x, and I have plus 2x, those are similar. Then I have plus 5x, this one, 5, this one, then minus 6, this one, is equals to 20, like that. Then before I move them on this side, I can just do this calculation here where I take 5x plus 2x, which is 7x, then 5 minus 6 is negative 1, so it's equals to 20, like that. Then from there, I can say 7x, then I move this one on the other side, and because here it was negative on the other side, it will be positive, so it will be 20 plus 1, which is 21, so it will be 7x is equals to 21, like that. Then from there, because I only need x, I divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 7, and here by 7, so it becomes, and 7 divided by 7 is 1, so 1 multiplied by x is x, is equals to 21 divided by 7, which is 3, like that. And that becomes the solution for this question 3 here. So can we try to solve question 4? In this question 4, you are told to solve 4 into x plus 2 is equals to 2 into x plus 9. So the first step here is to open the brackets as usual, and we multiply everything inside the brackets with the value outside the brackets. Like in this case, we have 4, so it will be 4 multiplied by x, which will be 4x, then plus 4 multiplied by this 2, which will be 8, is equals to 2 multiplied by x, which is 2x, then 2 multiplied by 9, which is 18, like that. Then from there, we group the like terms together. So I can start with x. So I have 4x. Then I move this x on the other side, and because on the right side it was positive, so on the left one, when I move it will be negative, so minus 2x. Then is equals to 18, this one. Then I move this side on the other side. So it will be 18 minus 8, because here it was positive on the other side, it will be negative. So from there, I take 4 minus 2x, which is 2x, is equals to 18 minus 8, which is 10, like that. Then from there, because I only need x, I divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1, 1 multiplied by x is x, is equals to 10 divided by 2, which is 5. And that becomes the solution for this question 4 here. So can we solve the last question, which is the most complex one here, where we are told to solve 3 into 2x minus 5 is equals to 2 into x plus 4 plus 7. So as usual, the first step is to open the brackets, and in this case we take 3 multiplied by 2x, which is 6x, then minus, because we have a negative here, 3 multiplied by 5, which is 15, is equals to 2 multiplied by x, which is 2x, then plus, because we have positive here, 2 multiplied by 4, which is 8, then plus 7. This 7 is outside the bracket, so we don't multiply by 2. Then from there, we group the like terms together, and here I can see I have x and 2x here. So I'm with this 2x on the other side, so it will be 6x minus 2x, because here it was positive on the other side, it will be negative, is equals to this 8 here, plus this 7 here, then this 15 here, I move it on the other side, and because it was negative on the left, on the right it will be positive, so it will be plus 15, like that. Then next is to subtract 6x minus 2x is 4x, I think so, is equals to 8 plus 7 is 15, then 15 plus 15 is 30, like that. But you see, we only need x, we don't need the value. We don't need 4x, we only need 1x. So to do so, I need to divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 4 on both sides. So it becomes 4 divided by 4 is 1. Then 1 multiplied by x is equals to 30 divided by 4. This one I can just divide by 2, and it becomes 30 divided by 4 by 2 is 15. Then 4 divided by 2 is 2. Then again, I divide it again by 2. So I divide 15 divided by 2. 2 will be 7 and a half, which is the same as 7.5. Then this 2 will be 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So the answer becomes 7.5 for this last question, question 5. So that is it for this lesson. If there is a place you did not understand or you have a question you want us to solve, you can comment it in the comment section. I'll try my level best to answer any question you have. And bye for now. Let us meet in the next lesson where I am going to revise in a different topic.